Hello everyone. Are you struggling to do dieting? Then I have a best idea for you. And the idea is soup diet. Soup diet means rasam diet. Whether it is a tomato rasam or hot corn soup or any pepper rasam, it depends on your interest. You can prepare some rasam and from morning till night you can have it multiple times. How many times ever you want, you can have this hot soup. But take only one time full meal, whether it is in lunch hours or dinner hours. Only one time full meal. You can prepare some meals and have one full meal, and other times from morning till night you need to have only this rasam. So this is the dieting. And how it will help you to reduce your fat, I'll tell you. Every one of you know that hot water reduce your fat, right, in your body. So in this way, this hot soup multiple times, if you have it in a day, it will reduce all your fat in your body. So like this you can reduce your weight. So from morning till night have only soup and take one time full meal, whether it is in lunch hours or dinner hours. So do it for 1 month or 2 weeks, give a try and see how many kgs you will reduce. I can't give you the exact figure of how many kgs you will lose. Why? Because it depends on body to body. One person might reduce 5 kg and other person might reduce 3 kg. It depends on body to body. So I can't tell you the exact figure. Give a try, you will see the changes. So all the best guys. This is what for today. In the next video we'll come up with a new topic. Take care. Bye.